Okay, this is Bob, your uncle. Bob's your uncle, not Bob. See if we can ride a double black. Like a blue. There's a little ride around here. Even that's a bit tricky. Look at that, squeaky brakes. Okay, that's tight for me. There we go. Alright, Burmy Blue Flow Trail. Rideable features, apparently. Oh, this is really nice. Wow. Big sweeping berms. Beautiful. Okay. No big features for me, thank you. Tiny little ride around here. Ooh, nice. Nice. Nice rolls. First time on this trail. Brand new, apparently. Ooh. Oh, look at it. Oh. Maybe catch some air on one of these, actually. Nice. Bob is your uncle. Beauty. Oh, someone's done a really nice job on this trail. Oh. Okay. Very nice. Ooh, that's just a ramp. I'll take that next time. Trying to keep up with the kids riding for the first time themselves. Yankee berms are gorgeous. Wow, this is an outstanding trail. This is bike park level stuff here. I'm almost really pulling it out. Oh, too much speed. Okay. Beauty. Oh. Oh, this is good. Get the rolls going. All that climbing is worth it. Whoa. What gear am I in now? Get a little bit more momentum out of there. Wow, great trail. How's your uncle? Yeah. Wow, that's so great.